Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to check the oil level in your Jaguar F-Type. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat, level surface. This is crucial for an accurate reading. Next, let the engine cool down for at least 10 minutes after driving. This allows the oil to settle back into the oil pan. Finally, grab a clean rag or paper towel. You'll need it to wipe the dipstick. Now open the hood of your F-Type. You're looking for a bright orange handle, which is your engine oil dipstick. It's usually easy to spot. Carefully pull the dipstick all the way out of its tube. Once it's out, use your clean rag or paper towel to thoroughly wipe off all the oil. This ensures you get a precise reading on your second attempt. With the dipstick completely clean, reinsert it all the way back into its tube until it's fully seated. Give it a few seconds for the oil to mark the stick. Then, pull the dipstick out one more time. Now, look at the oil level. It should fall between the two marks, typically a minimum and maximum line, indicating a healthy range. If your oil level is below the minimum mark, it's time to add some. Don't overfill. Add a small amount, perhaps 1/4 of a quart, then recheck. Repeat this process until the oil is within the safe range. Always refer to your Jaguar F-Type's owner's manual for the correct type and viscosity of engine oil to use. Keeping your oil at the right level is vital for engine health.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.